What's up guys, babsomotden here, and today's video I'll be sharing with you what happened to my Oraimo PowerJet 130 that stopped charging. So I'm going to be plugging this guy just for you to see what happened and the solution or the fixes to your Oraimo PowerJet not charging. Now I'm going to plug it. As you can see, it's not on yet, so I will plug this. It comes on and turn this on. Normally, this guy should come on with an inverted arrow showing that the current is running from the cable to this guy. The current is running from the adapter to the cable into the Oraimo power bank. But right now, as you can see, it is just turned on at 87%. So it is not showing the arrow and it's not showing anything. There's something that I did to fix it. So as you can see, it is turned off all by itself. It is still connected to the power source, but it is turned on. Sometimes it will just be blinking and it will go off. So as you can see, it is not working well. Now, here are the fixes. Number one, this could be the cable. I mean, this 100 watts cable that came along with this guy in the box. It could be the cable. Number two, it could be the adapter itself. That is the Oraimo adapter or whatever adapter you're using to charge it up. Number three, it could be the port. That is the charging port of your PowerJet 130. And number four, it could be your Oraimo power bank battery. Probably there's something going on with the overheating mechanism being activated, or maybe the battery is already aging, depending on how frequent you use it. So number four is out of it because this guy is going to, I think, 6 months thereabouts right now. So number four is out of it. Number three, which is the port is still okay last time I checked. And the only two things that I think could be wrong here are either the cable or the adapter. So luckily for me, I got another Oraimo Hypergan 65 from Oraimo, and here they are. So this is the new one, and I'll be plugging it with the old adapter. Let me take this cable off. I'll be plugging with the old adapter just to see if it's still going to work. All right, let's plug it and to the C1 port, and as you can see, it shows fast charging and the inverted arrow showed up and the wattage is being displayed. So that means there is nothing wrong with the adapter. So I'm going to keep this for some other time or other use. And that means the cable, that is this old cable, is now useless. It's no longer working as I expected it. So that is the culprit of this old Oraimo PowerJet 130 not working. In case you are experiencing such, just change your cable, or you change the adapter, or you check the port, or probably the overheating mechanism has kicked in, or your battery of your Oraimo PowerJet is aging. Any one of these could be the issue. So that you can see it is now charging. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question or related to Oraimo power banks, you can drop it down there in the comment section. This is a power bank that I would recommend for your laptop, for your smartphone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.